motion? Counter. Another counter. Another going for that. No, again. And again she's stuck like that. And Shadow's still like I don't know, somebody's trying to screw Jade out of the match. I don't know who would. No, I do not know who that would be. No idea at all. No idea. And now, looks like maybe she's going for a cutscene. Cutscene, here it comes. And oh my god, she got shoved on the stairs. And oh, and there's that feast. She calls it the feast at night. And now, going for a lethal injection. And she hits it. Oh, and then clothesline's actually down. And knocks her off. Because here comes the Midnight Jackhammer. Here it comes, and she hits it. Connecting with the Midnight Jackhammer. 2, 3, no! Actually broke it up still. And then she clotheslines her. Now she's taunting Ashley. Wait a minute. She doesn't notice Jade's behind her. And then there's a head scissors. And she tags in Ashley. Uppercut. And then a forearm shot by Ashley. And now what? Backbreaker. Backstabber. To the gut. Knee to the face. And what's this? Cartwheel and an elbow drop. Oh, face buster. Then rake in the back. Shadow. And later, what's this? And, oh, kick. Leg lariat kick. Oh, now right hands. And here comes the big one, the knockout shot. Bam! One, 2, and 3. No. Somehow kicked out. Somehow kicked out of that. And now, wait a minute, ankle lock. She's got the ankle lock. Will Shadow tap out? And now, she's wrenching on it. And she still doesn't tap out. And she lets go. Now, what's this? Oh, wait a minute. She's going for the MAVT. But Rosa breaks that up. Now, Shadow was in the way. She tried to go after Rosa, but it didn't work. Because Shadow was in the way in a DDT. Shadow trying to tag out to Rosa, and she does. And there's that kick. And now, she was taunting. Not a good thing. Oh, leg sweep. Counter. Rosa. No. Ashley. The counter. Rosa counters again. Rosa gets the better out of that one. Oh, and a tsunami or flip bottoms. They call it in English. And then, oh, drops her right on her face. Now. Oh, the darkness axe kick, as I like to call that. Again, another one. The axe kick. And just blowing kisses that actually signifying that it's over. Maybe a third one? Are you kidding me? Wait, oh! A jawbreaker. Oh, right hand. Now chops and another body shot. Now throws her into the ropes and then bulldog from behind. And now cartwheel elbow drop. Yes, connects. She's gonna low blow. Why am I not surprised? Wait a minute and two, and no, wait a minute, roll up, 1, 2, and 3, no, she got it! I thought she kicked out of that, but she actually got it. It's a kick out. Ashley wins this one for Jaden. Well, Jade is this. Well, she's the substitution for Kat, but still wins the match. Ashley just reversed that cover out of nowhere. Ashley and Jade pick up the victory here. Justin Alex 2.0. He says he's not working with Ascadelia yet. But he attacked Superman in that matchup without a reason why. He says he had no idea that Zero was going to attack. He said he had no idea about that. But he's facing off against Riku. Can you imagine if Riku could score a win over the champion? Reaction to Justin Alex here. They don't know whether to like him or hate him or whatever is going on. We don't know what's been going on with him lately. Like when he wasn't winning titles for a while, he had like a bad attitude. Even when he was tag teaming with Rey Mysterio, he was not here anymore. It was his mentor. Former tag team champions together, actually. Here comes Riku.